In this episode,
Hashtag installed. Alright, so I just got back from Chicago, and here's the Supra. Here's all the parts for the Supra. Let's put them here. This single box is the single most expensive thing out of every part that I ordered. And that is one headlight. One headlight. The big boy. This is a door for a Supra. So, this is everything. Well, most everything. We're still missing a couple parts, namely the driver's airbag, which is nobody knows where it is. Actually, it kept getting delayed, and now it's delayed to the end of February. So I don't know if we're ever gonna get a driver's airbag, but that's okay. We got the rest of the stuff. So this is pretty much the entire left side of A92, the Supra. Well, and then we got this entire front of that chair. Supra. So yeah, all this needs to go on the car there. Alright, so here it is. Here's everything. We have pretty much most of the things we need. We don't have a hood yet. We're working on that. Very expensive. But we do have pretty much all of this stuff. So, first off, that's the exhaust. That's just a stock exhaust that we need to put back on. We have a front bumper. This one has been lightly used in a crash, but good enough for us to use. And then we have airbags. So this is a curtain airbag. This is a knee airbag. We don't have the driver's actual steering wheel airbag because that's been delayed millions of times. So God knows when we'll get that. But beyond that, we have a battery safety terminal, which you guys saw in the previous episode. Basically, it's just a battery terminal with the explosive charge inside. You saw Mackie take that apart. From there, we got, what is this? We got a mirror and all the other parts of a mirror. We got like a front air duct. I don't think this is the right duct we needed, but okay. We got the headlight. That's the most expensive part, as I mentioned before. It's this massive box. Almost $2,000 for one single headlight. This one right here. So I'm going to see if I can salvage that, turn that into like a decoration. If you want to buy it, let me know. I could use the money. We have a fender. That's this little piece. And then we have the door. That's that down there. And then that's it. So we need to take this and put it over there. But first, let's unbox it. I got my new pair of hype beasts everywhere. What in God's? This isn't a sneaker. This is a mirror. This is a mirror. That was a bad joke. Hashtag installed. And just in case you guys weren't sure, BMW. Because it is. Whoa, yo! This is the best Christmas ever. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That is sick. I mean, it's just a stock headlight, so it's not that sick. But it's sick because, you know, it's new and I paid for it, so. Oh, this is the wrong seatbelt. I need an actual seatbelt. Oh, we got bubble wrap. This didn't pop. Damn it. Wow. This is an airbag. Even though it looks like someone's lower intestine, this is, in fact, the curtain airbag. This is an explosive charge. It goes kapow, and then it goes. Wow, this is light. That's it. That's that. All right, and for the biggest part, yeah, the door. Wow. It's a little greasy from the factory, but oh, this is upside down, isn't it? Ta-da! This is the right door, right? That's it. So we got to transfer all the guts from that door into this door, and then that's about it. Okay. All right. So here are all the parts. It looks like a lot less stuff now that it's out of the boxes. Great packing work, by the way. But yeah, we'll go through it from left to right. Here's the big boy, the driver's side headlight. So this thing is actually massive, like because of this long little DRL and stuff like that. And you can see, look at the connector on this. This is like a 1 billion pin connector for a headlight. And then like a small one over here. But again, I mean, there's a reason why this thing was so pricey. Obviously 6 LEDs inside for low beams, high beams, DRL, all that jazz. And so that's that. This I will treat very carefully. Here's a box of stuff that we didn't actually need. So this is the wrong duct. I ordered the wrong duct. I actually needed the bigger duct that goes to the oil cooler or the trans cooler. And then I don't know how I screwed this up. I need the other part of the seatbelt, not this part. So that's a fail. This is a curtain airbag. We have a Fender. Now this is literally just a thin old piece of stamped steel with a little bit of rubber on it and stuff. BMW. But you know, it is what it is. Yeah, so that just goes up there on the car. You can see. That's it. That's the Fender. Moving on from there, we have the side mirror. So you can see, I actually forgot to order the glass. So that's kind of the important part, but I'll order that. That's not too big of a deal. And then I have the factory mirror cap that goes over this, but the one on the other side is carbon fiber. So maybe we will order a carbon fiber version later on, but you can see matte electronics inside of here to do the lights and the motor and all that. And yes, it does say BMW on it. Over here, this is the driver's knee airbag. So there's an airbag for your knees. Yes, your knees in modern cars, and it explodes just to make sure your knees don't hit the dash and break, I guess. But that airbag did go off. So it's a nice little concealed unit. Just bolts in real easy. This is the battery safety terminal that we talked about in the previous episode. Very simple part. All it is a little explosive charge and 2 little battery terminals. Yep, that's it. So this will just replace the positive terminal in the car. And then the big boy, the door. Yeah, so this is a door. This is a door. That's a door. So we're going to take all the stuff from inside of this and put it inside of this. That includes this piece of glass, the actual motor, there's like some crash beams, and then all the electronics, and of course the door card with all the switches. But yep, that's it. Like this door skin is literally just a stamped piece. It's not actually very heavy. That's it. And you can see it's just a hollow thing on the inside. Oh yeah, door handles, etc. You need to replace. This is everything unboxed. The things we still need to get, like I mentioned before, the actual driver's airbag, and now the duct, the mirror, the actual glass for the mirror, proper seatbelt thing, which may be just an off-the-shelf BMW part, so I might be able to just nab that. And then probably some bits and bobs. I need a side skirt on this side. I need the front lip for the front bumper. And then I'm sure there's going to be a lot of random miscellaneous garbage that I need to get. But in the next episode, we'll probably take this. Actually, we'll take everything off of this. And then maybe we'll drive it around as a go-kart. And then we'll take all this, put it on here. And then we'll be one step closer to getting this thing back on the road and the track. Because we're not posers. We drive our cars on the track.